Why are there no wiring schematics for e-bikes? Comes up a lot. We get a lot of emails of what the schematics are. We don't have them because we don't get them. We don't get them from Emo, Tao, any of the suppliers whatsoever. There's no wiring schematics, and that's why we try to do as many videos as we can to get the information out there. But it's just not advanced like it is for cars. E-bike suppliers don't have proper manuals, if they have manuals at all. If they are, they're very basic. So it's not that us, the dealers, don't want to give it to you. It's that we're not given them from the suppliers themselves. So that's that. Hey, if you're enjoying our content, please take a moment now and subscribe and like.